The best way to conquer all planets. Human generation's thirst for betterment of life amenities. That means the struggle has no end. Realities of human beings are embedded in the struggle. Conflict, harmony, political communications, uncontrolled subvocalized false realities, pressures in workplaces, the fear of resource shortages, insecurities of improperly trained minds, unemployment, diseases. These are following humans from generations to generations. People say those ruling classes with wisdom can solve these problems. Some say study and study. At some point of time, we shall overcome these difficulties. It's not the fault of humans. They got born and brought up in these lack of existences of energy. The past intellectuals divided humans using ideas and force. It's because primitive human arrangements was far more fearful than the present. The failures in orderly arrangements and rule of law or general wills of people motivated them for a different reality of social life. Realities are intertwined with energies and fears of humans. Human space explorations was actually in search of changing these realities of lack. Actually, motivation of humans for better opportunities is this betterment of realities. Realities can be only changed using matter and energies. So far, humans can't conquer planets of the solar system. Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Neptune, Saturn, Uranus remains unconquered. We were able to send man-made satellites, but these energies remains untouched. Experts are of the opinion that using this type of interplanetary vehicles with manpower and machine power imperfections, humans will be able only after 1,000 or 10,000 years. For this, the Earth itself must be converted as an interplanetary vehicle. Miniature pencil rockets capable of moving Earth trajectories, creating sudden extreme forces must be created. This will help us to enjoy the realities of Mars to Neptune. In Earth, we have attained capabilities of balanced sustainment of life. This is the fastest way for progress of humans, struggling for resources. Remember, this won't create damages to Earth, because we have those external forces that can change the trajectories and balance those life-sustaining fields. Surplus resources, surplus ideas is about maintaining righteousness, security and peace, among conflicting human relationships.